Welcome to Ask a Teacher, a new program where readers ask questions and teachers answer them. Prepositions can be tricky in any language, including English, and English has a lot of them. But do not worry. Ask a Teacher is here to make things easier. Today's question comes from Edgar of Venezuela. Here it is.
I would like to know the difference between among and between. Thanks.
Hello, Edgar. That is an excellent question. This week, I had a choice between this question and many others, but I chose this one. Did you see how I used between? I see that you also used the word correctly when you asked about the difference between the words. Good job. Between and among are two prepositions that generally mean in the middle of two or more things. But how do we know which to use? Many English learners are taught that we use between for two things and among for three or more. It is true that we usually use between to talk about things that are clearly separate, as you and I both did. However, the use of between is not limited by the number of things. We use among to talk about things within a group. They are not clearly separate. Among means in or through a group of people or things. Here are some sentences to compare.
He is choosing between Spanish, French, and Italian. He is choosing among the languages.
The word between named the languages, while among spoke about them as part of a group. Now compare these.
A liger is a hybrid between a lion and a tiger. Ligers are among the many animal hybrids in the world.
The word between named the animals, while among spoke of them as being part of a group. A few things to note. In everyday spoken English, Americans usually do not use the word among as it sounds a little formal. Instead, we might use between or a different preposition. The word between is also used to talk about time, space, and other measurements, such as in please arrive between the hours of 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. and there was a meter of space between my bike and the cars. And that's Ask a Teacher. I'm Alice Bryant.
Do you have a question for Ask a Teacher? Write to us in the comments area, and be sure to list your country.